welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today I have a Sephora haul, and this is my favourite shop. I love this shop. We usually try and get to America, well, Florida, every sort of other year. It is one of our favourite places to go as a family, but obviously with everything that's going on at the moment, there's been, you know, a bit of a delay in our next visit. But yeah, I went on a little vacation to Greece recently, and I picked up some bits while I was there. So first is this gift set. So I actually picked this up for my son's girlfriend as a little present, but this is the mango mask set. So she loves mango scents, and this one has in it the mango vitamin mask. So that's the face mask, and then it's got the hair sleeping mask and the hand mask. So those ones there, and this was 12 euros 99. I'm going to just say all the prices in euros because I don't know what it is in pounds, but yeah, 12.99. And then I grabbed this as well. So I thought this looked really nice, actually. I reckon this is going to smell beautiful. So this is the cinnamon face mask. That's a really nice Christmassy smell, isn't it? So I think that would be really nice. Cinnamon latte scent. So yeah, and that was $4.99. So I'm really looking forward to trying this. I might actually try this tonight. I think, yeah, it's a sheet mask. I can feel it inside. So yeah, lovely. This says nourishing and soothing. And then I picked up this hair mask. So this is the coconut hair sleeping mask. I actually really like these. I've had these in the past and I think they're really good. It's got like a hair conditioning mask in the bottom, and then there's like a cap in the top that you put over it, and it's got little, I don't know if you see, it's got little pictures of like stars and coconuts on it. Yeah, and that was $3.99. I think that's quite a good price, you know. These are good. Then I grabbed this bubble bath and shower gel, which is, say, it's Lagoon, and I just love this bottle. I think this will look really nice on the side of my bath as well. Yeah, it actually smells really nice. It smells exactly how I expected it to, that kind of like fresh sort of, I don't know how to explain it. It's just a really fresh smell. So yeah, I picked that one up as well. That's quite a nice size as well, isn't it? 260ml in there, and that was only $5.99 actually, which I don't think is too bad at all. I didn't realise it was that cheap, but yeah, so that one. And then I grabbed a few makeup bits. So this one I've heard really mixed reviews about, but it was really cheap in the sale. Don't know if that's a good sign or not. But it's the KVD True Portrait Liquid Powder Foundation. So it's that one there. But as you can see, I got it really cheap. So I got it for $11.39. And I think, I had a look, and I think this is my shade. I hope so. Oh, I don't know now, it looks really dark. I might be able to lighten it a bit. I mean, the packaging is absolutely stunning, isn't it? I think it's going to be too dark, you know. Oh, it's weird. That is weird. It feels really watery. Maybe it needs a good shake. But I don't know, it might be all right. So that's on my hand. It might be all right if I might be able to lighten it a bit or something. But yeah, as I say, I got the shade medium. Yeah, it does say shake well. I got the shade medium, but I'm gonna do a first impressions video very soon because I've got quite a few new makeup products I want to try, and I'll pop this in that and see what it's like. But as I say, I've heard really mixed reviews on it, so I did want to try it for myself and see what I think really. Then I grabbed a couple of the Sephora eyeshadow palettes. So this one here is the Gleaming Stones palette. So yeah, it's really nice packaging, isn't it? It's kind of got this like rose quartz effect on it, which I love. And then it has actually got some really nice kind of warm tones in it. I really like these colours actually. So we've got these ones here. So yeah, really lovely. Really nice warm tones, as I say. And there's a base eye primer in there as well, which is quite nice. This one was $14.99, which isn't too bad, is it? So yeah, I'll be trying that out soon as well. And then lastly, I grabbed this one. So this is a pocket palette, cute name. This has got 6 pans in it, I think. I believe this is another kind of warm tone palette, but I do really like those colours. Oh, that's cute. I really like this packaging. I think that's beautiful. Oh, look. It pops out. Oh, I like that. Yeah, so these are lovely, actually. So we've got these colours here. Really nice. There's 2 matte shades, but they are really nice matte shades. They're a really nice kind of neutral tone. We've got a dark one and a light one. And then there's 4 shimmers in there. This one looks stunning. Really nice. Might be a bit of a duochrome one. So yeah, looking forward to trying that out soon as well. Yeah, and that one was $11.99. So yeah, there's all the bits that I bought from Sephora. And yeah, I think there's some really lovely bits in there. I do love their own range of like beauty products. I think they're so good. But yeah, I haven't actually tried any Sephora makeup. Well, no, that's a lie. I have. I've tried some of their base products, but I haven't tried any of the eyeshadows. And I have heard good things about them. So yeah, I will be testing those out very soon. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!